I am Dr. W. B. Gandhale from Kamlanenu Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the organic compound synthesis via enolate ion formation. And here today we are going to discuss the malonic ester and preparation of some monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, and some in case of dicarboxylic acid, succinic acid, adipic acid, and some other compounds. And also after that we are going to see what are the 3 steps of the active methylene compound, like that acetoacetic ester, and this how this acetoacetic ester formed and synthesis. And here 3 main steps are there. Number 1 is the formation of enolate ion, and after that the alkylation of this enolate anion, and third step is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. So different types of compound we are going to discuss, synthesis of that compound we are going to discuss in today's presentation. So the topic is malonic ester synthesis, and malonic ester synthesis consists of 3 steps. First step is the formation of enolate ion, second step is the alkylation, and third is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. So here first step, already we have seen the 3 steps, and now today we are seeing here the preparation of 2-methylpropanic acid. In case of this preparation of this 2-methylpropanic acid, the compound is actually it is the 2-methylpropanic acid is regarded as dimethyl acetic acid. Acetic acid have the formula CH3COOH, and 2 hydrogen is replaced by CH3 from CH3, so methyl group. So it is represented as regarded as a dimethyl acetic acid. Therefore 2 methyl group have to be introduced at the alkylation stage. These may be introduced either in 1 step or in 2 steps with sodium ethoxide and 2 molecules of methyl iodide. So here this is the reaction shown in this case. This is the malonic ester and sodium ethoxide minus CH5OH. We get the sodium salt of this enolate anion, so negative charge is there. So this is formation of enolate. Then 1 alkyl group, methyl iodide, so NaI is replaced, and here this CH3 groups, 1 alkyl group is here, so this is the CH, having another H can be replaced. So because we have to attach 2 alkyl group, so this is 1 molecule. Then another, again it reacts with the sodium ethoxide and forming negatively charged enolate ion, and after that again react with the second molecule of methyl iodide, and then sodium iodide get replaced and CH3 group attached here in this way. So 2 CH3 groups are here, so 2 methyl group we have to introduce at the alkylation stage, 1 molecule, and this is second molecule. We get this compound. After alkylation, now it undergo the reaction with the potassium hydroxide, that is the hydrolysis, and here 2 potassiums are here, and also then acidification. Then in place of K, here is the hydrogens are here, and at this temperature 2 COH group cannot be on the same carbon, so CO2 molecule get replaced. Again here is there is this CO2 molecule released, and we get this compound CH3 CH and COOH CH3. So this is the compound known as 2-methylpropanoic acid. So 2-methyl is this is the methyl, 1, 2, 3 carbon, and 2 methyl are present, and this is the methyl present on the second carbon. So 2-methylpropanoic acid. So this is the compound synthesized in this way. So this is the reaction shown, or also we can directly we can also take the diethyl malonate malonic ester, and 2 molecular ethoxide, 2 molecular of methyl iodide, and 2 alkylations are there forming the enolate ion, and 2 alkyl groups are here, and then hydrolysis, acidification, and decarboxylation. So here we get this compound methylpropanic acid. So directly also we can take. So these are the different steps. So this reaction take place in 3. First step is the formation of enolate ion, second is the alkylation, third is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. So 2-methylpropanic acid can be synthesized by using malonic ester. Another reaction is there, that is the preparation of 2-methylbutanoic acid, and now 2-methylbutanoic acid may be regarded as a ethyl methyl acetic acid. Therefore ethyl and methyl group are to be introduced at the alkylation stage. So here reaction is shown here. Ethyl methyl, so what is now one time 1 ethyl and second time methyl, like that. So this is the diethyl malonate or malonic ester react with the sodium ethoxide forming this negatively charged 1 molecule of CH5 replaced, and here we get enolate ion. This enolate ion undergo the alkylation. So ethyl iodide react with this sodium iodide get replaced, and ethyl group attached to this carbon react to methylene carbon, and here another hydrogen can be replaced, and again it react with the sodium ethoxide and CH5OH, and we get this negatively charged enolate ion, and then methyl iodide is, alkylation is taking place, so Na again replaced and methyl group attached. So here first time ethyl group is attached to this carbon, the second time alkylation CH3 group. So this is the compound, and after this now it undergo the hydrolysis and heat with KOH, and instead of here CH5OH is replaced, and here two potassiums are here, acidification, two hydrogens are here, two COH group cannot be on the same carbon, immediately there is a loss of CO2 molecule, and we get this compound CSC, CH2, CH, CH3 and COH. In this way we get this 2-methyl butanoic acid. So number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the 2-methyl is there, so 2-methyl butanoic acid. This is the compound can be synthesized from the enolate ion formation. Again here also 3 steps. First step is the formation of enolate, second is the alkylation, and third is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. Another compound is there, preparation of diethyl acetic acid. Diethyl means 2 ethyl group we have to introduce at the alkylation stage. So in this case this is the malonic ester, CS2, COH2H5. So ethoxide, sodium ethoxide react and forming this compound here in this way. When it react, and this is the negatively ion formation. So CH, so one hydrogen is replaced, and in this way alkylation, ethyl chloride react and forming this type of compound, and here this ethyl group comes here and sodium chloride is replaced, and after that this ethyl groups is another now sodium ethoxide again from this negatively charged ion, sodium is attached here, and then another second molecule of CH5Cl ethyl chloride, then ethyl group attached to this carbon and Na is replaced, and in this way this is the 2 ethyl groups attached to this carbon, and after that there is a hydrolysis KOH. So 2K are coming here and 2 CH5OH is replaced, and here after this acidification with HCl, in place of 2 potassium hydrogens are here, and 2 here is immediately there is a loss of CO2, that is decarboxylation is take place, and we get the compound CH5CH2H5 COH. Here COH, here CH, COH. So CO2 after loss of CO2, H, CH, COH. So we get diethyl acetic acid. So this is the acetic acid CH, COH, in place of 2 hydrogen, 2 ethyl groups are there. So it is also regarded as a diethyl acetic acid. So this is the compound can be synthesized, diethyl acetic acid. In this way this diethyl acetic acid can be synthesized by using these 3 steps: formation of enolate, second alkylation, and third is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. Now there are some compound which can be synthesized by using the dicarboxylic acid. In case of dicarboxylic acid, first compound that we are going to see is the preparation of succinic acid, and in this preparation of succinic acid, that is also known as 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. It is also known as 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. As carboxylic acid are present on the 1 and 4th carbon, so it is known as 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. Such acid can be easily prepared by reacting enolate anion of the malonic ester with the suitable alpha haloester like alpha bromoacetate, like that. Hydrolysis followed by decarboxylation of this compound resulting the triester give the desired dicarboxylic acid. And here example is given: succinic acid, synthesis of succinic acid. So this is the formula here. This is the diethyl malonate or malonic ester react with sodium ethoxide, CH5OH is replaced, and we get the negatively charged enolate anion of malonic ester, and they react with the compound. This is the compound which is reacting, and this compound is a bromide compound, and here this group is attaching here, and NaBr is replaced, minus NaBr. So this group CH5 and here CH2CO CH5 attached to this carbon. This group is attached to this carbon, and after this attaching this group, triester is formed, and here 2CO here is 1. So triesters are formed after this alkylation. Then succinic acid. After this, then it reacts with the 3 molecules of KOH, and here 2 potassium and 1 here potassium comes, and after acidification hydrogens are here. After that there is a loss of CO2 from this, and we get the compound. Here is the CH2COH, and here after loss of CO2 then CH2COOH. So we get succinic acid in this way by the from the diethyl malonate. So this is the reaction. Show the dicarboxylic acid succinic acid preparation. So this is one compound, and another compound is a chloronic acid can also be synthesized, which is also dicarboxylic acid. And here synthesis of chloronic acid is shown. Acetaldehyde, we have to start from acetaldehyde, and this is malonic ester. So when malonic ester react with the acetaldehyde and in the presence of pyridine and forming this type of compound. So here this COH, here is the CH2. So this group is attaching here CH3, and this H2 is replaced. H2 here H2O, and this CH3 CH is attaching here. After that KOH react with this KOH and then form this type of compound here CH3 CHCCOK. So after reaction with the hydrolysis, that is this C2H5O is replaced and K are here. Acidification 2H are here, and after heating and then CO2 is replaced, and we get CH3 CHCOH, that is known as chloronic acid. So this is the simple method of synthesis of chloronic acid, unsaturated acid, and this is the compound which is synthesized from malonic ester. Another reaction is there, synthesis of acetoacetic ester, and in this case we have to take the malonic ester. This is the reaction, ethoxide forming this type of compound, negatively charged enolate, and this enolate react with the this compound of methyl acetyl chloride, and after that we this acetyl group attached to this. So CH3 group is acetyl group is attaching to this carbon of reactive methylene group. So this acetyl group attaching, and after that now KOH undergo hydrolysis. There is a loss of C2H5OH and 2 potassiums are here. Acidification 2H are here. Again now CO2 is replaced, and we get CH3CO CH2COH. So this is known as acetoacetic acid. So this is the compound which can be synthesized by using malonic ester. And another synthesis of barbiturate acid. This is the compound, and here this is the malonic ester which react with the urea NH2CONH2, and this malonic ester react and forming this type of compound CH2CONH, here also CONH and CO, this type of compound, and C2H5OH is replaced, and this compound is known as the barbiturate acid, also known as malonic urea. So this is the these are the important compound which can be synthesized from the malonic ester via enolate ion formation. And this is another dicarboxylic acid, adipic acid can be synthesized, and these acids are prepared by treating the enolate anion of malonic ester and monoalkyl derivative 2 molecules with the 1,2-dibromoethane. Resulting tetraester on hydrolysis and decarboxylation give 1,6-dicarboxylic acid. So adipic acid is a 1,6, that is the COH group present on the first and 6th number of carbon, and reaction is shown here. So this is, we have to start from the 1,2-dibromoethane. So this is the ethane and 1,2-dibromoethane, and react with the 2 molecule of this enolate ion. So there is a loss of 2 NABR, and this CH2 group attached in this way. In this way the attachment is there. After that there is a hydrolysis with KOH and acidification. So 2 K are there, and K2 potassium replaced by 2 hydrogens, and we get this type of compound, and at this temperature 2 CO2 molecule attached is evolved from this 1 CO2, and we get only the COH group is there, another COH. So CH2 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 CH. So see the carboxylic acid are present on the carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 and 6 now carboxylic acid, therefore it is known as 1,6-dicarboxylic acid, or also known as adipic acid. So this is the formula of adipic acid which can be synthesized by the that is the enolate ion formation. And now second important reactive methylene compound is the acetoacetic ester, and in two compounds we are discussing, and first is the malonic ester and second is the acetoacetic ester. Acetoacetic ester. In case of acetoacetic ester, ethyl acetoacetate or acetoacetic ester is commonly known as beta ketoester. Like malonic ester, it is also an active methylene compound. Alpha hydrogen present on the CH2 group are sufficiently acidic in nature due to the presence of keto group on one side and ester group on the other side. Therefore, it is known as acetoacetic ester, and structure is shown here. And this structure shows, see, ketonic group is on, this is the reactive methylene group. Ketonic group is on one side and ester group is on the other side. So this is the alpha hydrogen attached to this carbon, alpha carbon, and which are sufficiently acidic. So like malonic ester, this acetoacetic ester is also the reactive methylene compound. So reactive methylene CH2 group is there, and this is alpha carbon and hydrogen attached to that. Alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen, and which are acidic in nature, and therefore it can be replaced. One hydrogen or second hydrogen can be replaced and with the alkyl group. And again now this consists of, like malonic ester, acetoacetic ester is also important synthetic reagent in the organic chemistry and has can be used to synthesize number of organic compound, and this consists of three steps. And again, first step is the formation of enolate anion, second step is the alkylation, and third is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. So all the three steps we are going to discuss here. So of acetoacetic ester synthesis. So first step is the formation of enolate anion. As we know, one of the hydrogen can be replaced by ethoxide ion, and here after that we get the enolate anion. So due to the presence of acidic alpha hydrogen between keto group and the ester group in the molecule, acetoacetic ester is a stronger acid than ethanol, and therefore we can say that when acetoacetic ester is reacted with the ethoxide ion, it is converted into the enolate anion. So the reaction is shown here. This is the reaction. This is ethoxide ion react with the this is a reactive methylene group, acetoacetic ester, structure of this like that, and then this hydrogen is abstracted, ethoxide ion abstract the hydrogen and forming, this is the negatively charged what is the enolate ion, and this CH5OH is replaced. So this CH5O and this EH, and so first step is the formation of enolate ion, and enolate ion is stabilized by the resonance in which the negative charge is delocalized over the keto and ester carbonic group as shown here. So this is the reactive, this is the enolate ion, and these electrons are shifted here, and this double bond electron is shifted here. So this another structure we obtain, and again now this bond is shifted here and this is here. So what is now, this is another structure. So it is a resonance hybrid of the three structures, structure 1, 2, 3, and this is the resonance hybrid structure of this enolate ion. So enolate ion shows the resonance, and it is shown here. So this is the first step, formation of enolate anion. So this is the first step in the synthesis, and similar to the malonic ester, first step is the formation of enolate ion. In this case, ethoxide ion abstract the proton of the reactive methylene group and forming the negatively charged enolate anion. Second step is the alkylation of enolate anion. Now this enolate anion having negatively charged this compound react with the alkyl halide, and this alkyl group get attached here, and NaX is replaced. So NaX is replaced, and here we get this alkyl group attached. So this is the monoalkyl acetoacetic ester, and another hydrogen can also be replaced, and we get dialkyl. So for this case, this is monoalkyl, and then again react with the sodium ethoxide, and we get the negatively charged this enolate anion, and now the react with the R-X, means another alkyl halide, and NX is replaced, and alkyl group is attached to here, and showing here dialkyl acetoacetic ester. So monoalkyl or dialkyl compound can be synthesized. So alkylation. So first alkyl group attached here, second alkyl is attaching here. So first step is to formation of enolate anion, and then alkylation can take place. So monoalkyl, dialkyl compound can be synthesized. So this is the second step, alkylation of enolate anion, and after this third step is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. Again now here in case of and dialkyl acetoacetic ester obtained above that can undergo the hydrolysis shown here, and two types of ketonic hydrolysis and acid hydrolysis can take place. So here first is the, here is shown ketonic hydrolysis. So monoalkyl acetoacetic ester, monoalkyl compound is there, it undergo hydrolysis with KOH, ketonic hydrolysis. There is a loss of minus CH5OH and forming this type of compound. Alkyl group is here and this CO and CO in here, C is there and OK. So potassium is coming here and CH5OH is replaced, and after acidification H is coming here in place of K, H, and here HCl and here KCl is replaced, and after that this is the monoalkyl acetoacetic acid, and here heat it and then CO2 group is replaced, this CO2, and we get this compound CH3 CO CH2R. This CH come after replacing CO2, this CH2R is the left. So this is known as mono-substituted acetone. This is acetone, CH3 CO CH3. So R is there, monoalkyl, a mono-substituted alkyl acetone. This is the compound. In this way the ketonic hydrolysis can take place. Another is the acid hydrolysis. So this is monoalkyl acetoacetic ester. It reacts with the KOH and HOH, two molecules of KOH. So 2Ki here is the potassium is coming. So this is another potassium, and this type of reaction can take place in acid hydrolysis, and we get this CH3COK, CH2COK and CH5OH. So from the above, it shows that synthetic utility of acetic ester is due to the because of this. So acetoacetic ester undergo these three steps, and first step is the formation of enolate anion, second is the alkylation, and third is the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. And by using this compound, reactive methylene compound, we can synthesize number of organic compound, monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, and many more other organic compound can be synthesized by using this acetoacetic ester compound.